Hi and welcome to the video training of PHP. In this video training we will be learning about another new feature in PHP 8.1 and it's called final class constants. If you go to PHP official website and on the release notes of version 8.1 you will see it here, final class constants, and here in PHP 8.1 they have introduced the keyword final just like Java. So if you define a method final or a property or a class as final, it cannot be redeclared in any case within the same scope. So for example, we have a class foo here and a class bar which extends foo. Class foo has a public constant x which has been declared as final, so it cannot be redeclared in the same context. So if we go here and we can see it is not possible, it is now possible to declare final class constants, so they cannot be overridden in child classes. The final keyword prevents child classes from overriding a method or constant by prefixing the definition with final keyword. If the class itself is being defined final, then it cannot be extended. So if we try to run this example by choosing version 8.1, we should get an error that says bar x cannot override final constant foo x on line 7. But if I remove the final keyword from here and try again, it works fine. So you cannot redeclare a constant that has been declared as final. Similarly, if I have a function here, final public function abc, and in class bar I try to redeclare a function abc again and just remove this from here, and if I say eval, should give me an error, cannot override final method foo abc. So if I remove final from here, I should be able to run this program. You see no output, so means no error. Similarly, if I declare the class foo as final and if I run this program, it says class bar cannot extend final class foo. So if the class has been declared final, it cannot be extended. So no inheritance for final classes with the final keyword. I hope that you have grasped the idea of final keyword, and it has been inherited, or you can say imported, or you can say adopted from other mature object-oriented languages like Java, and it is a good addition in PHP, which is getting better day by day. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, TechWeber. Just put an S at the end. You can also contact me if you need any help. Thank you very much.